Have you ever wondered why respect isn't just given but earned? Why is it that some people command respect effortlessly, while others struggle to get even a smidgen of it? This question has probably crossed your mind at some point. Respect is a fundamental element that shapes our daily interactions, relationships, and overall experiences, both personally and professionally. It is the cornerstone of any meaningful and successful relationship, whether it's a friendship, a romantic partnership, or a professional alliance. However, it's important to remember that respect is not a right that everyone is entitled to, but rather, it's a privilege that is earned. It's earned by showing kindness, understanding, and empathy to others, by being reliable and trustworthy, and by demonstrating competence and confidence in your abilities. Respect is like a mirror. What you give is what you get. So if you want to be respected, you must first learn to respect others. So let's delve into the 7 ways you can earn respect. Firstly, respect others. Doesn't it make sense that to earn respect, you need to give it first? It's a simple yet powerful principle. Treating others with respect, regardless of their status or position, is fundamental. It's about acknowledging the inherent value in every individual. Think about it. How do you feel when someone respects you, validated, seen, heard? Now imagine offering that same feeling to someone else. That's the power of respect. It's an expression of empathy and understanding. It signifies that you see beyond the superficial, beyond titles and ranks, and recognize the shared human experience. Respect isn't about being overly formal or excessively polite. Rather, it's about genuine regard for others and their perspectives. It's about listening, understanding, and acknowledging. It's about showing that you value others as much as you value yourself. Remember, respect is a two-way street. You give, you get. Secondly, honesty and transparency are key. People respect those who are genuine and upfront. When you peel away the layers of pretense and let your true colors shine, you foster trust. It's like opening a window to your soul, allowing others to see your reality, not a carefully crafted facade. This authenticity, this honesty, it's refreshing. People gravitate towards it, they respect it, because when you're true to yourself, you're true to others. When you are honest, people respect you for your authenticity. Thirdly, reliability earns respect. When you say you'll do something, do it. This simple yet powerful action speaks volumes about your character. It shows that you value your commitments and are dependable, and these are traits that people deeply respect. It's about the importance of keeping your word, of being someone others can count on. It's about being a person of action, not just words. Remember, your reliability reflects your respect for your own promises. Reliability is a trait of a person who respects their own words. Fourthly, competence commands respect. Be good at what you do. It's not just about natural talent or innate abilities. It's the constant pursuit of knowledge and mastery in your field that truly sets you apart. It's the late nights, the early mornings, the relentless drive to improve. Competence is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It's about proving to yourself and others that you're dedicated, that you're committed, that you're constantly striving to be better. Competence isn't just about skill, it's about effort and dedication too. Fifthly, confidence earns respect. Show confidence in your abilities and decisions. Confidence is more than just a feeling. It's a bold statement of belief in oneself. It's about owning your decisions and standing tall, even when the odds are stacked against you. Building confidence isn't an overnight task, but it's achievable. Start by embracing your strengths, facing your fears, and learning from your mistakes. When you exude confidence, you command respect. People are drawn to those who are sure of themselves. Confidence shows others that you respect yourself. Sixthly, listen to others. Respect is earned when you value others' opinions. Now, we're not merely talking about the nodding your head kind of listening. We're talking about active listening, where you are fully engaged and understanding what the other person is saying. It's about valuing their point of view, even if it's different from yours. Listening doesn't just mean being silent while the other person talks. It means asking thoughtful questions, reflecting on what they're saying, and responding appropriately. It's about showing empathy and understanding, rather than just waiting for your turn to speak. When you listen effectively, you're telling the other person that you respect their thoughts and feelings. This can earn you respect in return because it shows that you value other people and their ideas. It's a sign of maturity and wisdom, and it can make others feel valued and heard. Listening shows that you respect others and their ideas. Lastly, humility earns respect. No one respects an arrogant person. Humility, though, is not about downplaying your achievements or strengths. It's about recognizing that we are all part of a larger whole, each with our own unique contributions. It's about acknowledging that no matter how much we know, how skilled we are, there's always something new to learn, always room for improvement. Humility is a sign of strength, not weakness. It shows that you're secure in your abilities, yet open to insights and wisdom from others. This openness, this willingness to learn, to grow, that's what earns respect. But remember, being humble is not the same as being submissive. Submissiveness is about suppressing your own needs or desires to please others. Humility is about recognizing your worth while acknowledging the worth of others. It's about maintaining your dignity while respecting the dignity of others. So how can you practice humility? Start by listening more and talking less. Appreciate the talents and accomplishments of others. Seek advice and accept criticism graciously. Remember, humility is not thinking less of yourself, it's thinking of yourself less. To sum up, earning respect isn't about manipulation or false pretense, it's about authenticity and integrity. So let's quickly revisit the 7 ways to earn respect that we've discussed today. First, we talked about respecting others. This means acknowledging the value that each individual brings to the table, regardless of their status or background. Second, we touched upon the importance of honesty and transparency. This involves being open about your intentions and actions and never shying away from the truth. Third, we explored reliability, the quality of being dependable and sticking to your commitments. Our fourth point was competence, demonstrating your skills and knowledge in your chosen field. Fifth, we delved into the role of confidence, showing belief in your abilities and standing up for what you believe in. The sixth point was about listening to others, understanding their perspectives and showing empathy. And finally, we highlighted humility, the ability to recognize your flaws and learn from your mistakes. Remember, respect is earned, not given, so start earning it today.